Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to use Expedia tab View Hotel Filter. So to use the hotel filters on the Expedia app or website, you have to start your search. First, open your Expedia app. Now start searching for your hotels. And once you start searching for your hotels, click or tap the filter. Now once you search for destinations and dates, tap the filter button to open the filter menu. Now once you do that, use the sidebar or menu to select preferences such as star rating, price range, neighborhood, or hotel class. Now scroll down to select amenities like free breakfast, pool, pet friendly, or Wi-Fi. You can also utilize the map icon to visually filter hotels by location, ensuring you are close to landmarks or in a specific area. Now to reset, tap the clear button in the top right corner of the filter menu. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.